Free heat, check it out guys. Right there. That's where it's coming from. Burn wood inside of that unit, and it's sending that hot water to this little radiator, if you will. There's a fan right behind it, and it blows nice and warm. It's awesome, man. I love it. Woo. So in today's video, we're gonna go ahead and load up the Cummins because we are going to take it to Dylan's house. You guys probably know who he is. I try to collaborate as much as possible with him. He has a smaller YouTube channel. Make sure you guys subscribe to him. But he helps me out a lot with the Dodge builds. But I want to go ahead and put stocks back on there. But these have to go back on your truck. Finally.
Yep.
Your truck looks like a scrub.
And are they going to stay on my truck?
Yeah. If you don't know, these are Anthem 20 by 10s, negative 44 offsets on Armstrong Desert Dog tires. They are 3312.5 R20s. I'll link in the description where I got these tires from, but really, really awesome stuff. They're very, very grippy. And only because of these tires right here is the fact that she beat me on the tug of war pole in the backyard.
Oh, stop. Whatever. Oh, was it the neck on there?
Yeah, you don't have to go all the way up. Now, if you don't know, you guys can see right there, the bed goes, yeah, there's the filler neck. I gotta get that squared away.
Oh, there, we'll go up that high.
Yeah, we'll go up that high. But the filler neck, yeah, no, I just gotta move it out of the way manually. It's no big deal. But this is a Pierce dump bed kit. A lot of you guys know this. This is why I call it the dumpster Cummins. I purchased this truck for my brother-in-law about a year ago, and here we are. I'm gonna say she's done. You can let it down now. This thing is so cool. Like I said, guys, what I'm doing today is I got to put stock wheels on this thing so we can fit it on my small little tiny trailer. It's a 14K trailer, but it's kind of narrow in between the wheel wells. But I'm preparing to bring it to Dylan's house so we can install the twin kit, the 2 turbos, the 2 Ryan's diesel service turbos, the S363 on a S480. Right now in this day and age, it's extremely hard to find any sort of twin kits for diesel trucks. I don't understand it myself. I'm not a fabrication diesel shop owner. I don't understand any of that. But what I'm trying to say is Black Market Performance, I've worked with them before, and they decided to custom fabricate a twin kit for this P-Pump 24 valve Dodge Cummins. So yes, I could slap that kit in myself, but my buddies, Dylan, Derek, Mason, all them guys down in Indiana are awesome, and they really understand that a lot better than I do. Just like I understand the Duramaxes. So, but I don't, I mean, yeah, I assembled this truck, but I don't really understand it. It's simple, but...
It's a lot different than the Duramax.
It's a lot easier to work with, but I don't know. I had to read some manuals and figure out where wires go and stuff. On the Duramax, you could probably, on an LBZ, you could probably pull a sensor off of something and to ask me what it goes to, and I'll probably tell you.
Yeah.
But when it comes to stuff like this, it's just a little different for me. It's kind of foreign.
Well, you're more familiar with the Duramax.
Remember when we zip tied the bumper on?
Yep.
I put it on right.
I know. I'm so excited for you.
You can actually like stand on the bumper if you want.
It's not all sketchy now.
No, it was held on by 4 zip ties.
Yeah, we're not like walking past it like, don't touch. It might fall off.
Okay, so back on topic here, we have the GMC wheels that we pulled off the LMM after we installed the 6-inch rough country lift kit, which you have to watch because, man, I think that's probably one of the neatest looking trucks in our fleet right now, with the exception of this Dodge right here. Mrs. Truckmaster wants her wheels back, and I don't have any stocks right now to replace those, so I'm gonna do something really dumb today, and some of you guys may get really offended, but that's on you. I don't really care. I have to put wheels on this thing, so we're gonna put the GMC wheels. No, they're not gonna fit, so we're gonna put those spacers on it. It's still not gonna be as wide as that though, so it'll still clear the trailer. I know that for sure.
Why aren't you putting the old wheels back on that was on it previously?
Lord willing, when I get to Indiana, everything works out, and the twin turbos and the install kit, everything works the way it should. I kind of wanted to take her on a little rip, and the stock tires and rims that were on the Dodge were trailer tires.
Little rip or like a really big rip?
A really, really big rip. If we can, if we can lay it down, we will, because like, it's got a built trans.
I'm gonna try to break it rip.
Yeah, we want her to hold at least 700 to 800 horsepower. So I doubt it. We'll see.
That'll be a nice video.
Let me do this right now, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and rip her wheels off and put them back. I don't know if I'll put it back on your truck today. Kind of busy, but
no, probably not today.
We can have you put them on.
When you get back, maybe, right?
Yeah, well, you could put them on.
Yeah, well, that's fine.
Too easy. So.
With your help.
Nah, you got this. Those aren't that heavy. She actually does work with me off camera quite a bit, guys, here in the garage. So when I have her on camera, she is, in fact, Mrs. Truckmaster. She does help me work on these trucks. So let's go ahead and get these on. It's gonna look kind of silly. I think it's gonna look cool with chrome and the blue, honestly. You wanna go ahead and grab that wheel and roll it up to the, like.
The difference?
Yeah. These aren't permanent, by the way.
I'm so weak. Yeah, they're...
This is gonna look cool. I say we just put some cool tires on the GMC wheels and just send it. No, they're the same height.
Oh.
They're definitely the same height. Yeah, go ahead and roll it right up to it. See? Same height.
Well,
33s.
mine have way better tread.
And here. Yep, just kind of hold it there.
Hey, you got a little view of what chrome might look like, right?
So this isn't a permanent situation, guys. I'm just doing this so I can fit it on the trailer. It's going to be on there for a while,
They don't like sitting there.
until I can save some pennies and buy some nice rims.
Save some pennies.
Save some pennies.
All it takes is pennies.
Yeah.
All right, he's gonna get started.
You know, I don't care what you guys say. That doesn't look too bad at all. I'm gonna go ahead and get all the other ones on, and then we'll go ahead and back it out of the garage. Look, sorry, not sorry. I don't have any other option, okay? I don't have any other good rollers I can put on this truck. This is all I have left. This looks actually really cool. It really gets me motivated to get chrome rims eventually. I'm really thinking maybe the end of February, I'll have some really nice rims on this truck right here. But for now, it's gonna look like this. A newer style Dodge bumper on it, which honestly, I like it. I think it looks cool. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention, we have the Boost Auto Parts retrofit tow mirrors, which look amazing. These have the switchbacks in them with the white LEDs. They just look great. I'm gonna wire those up here pretty soon and show you guys how it all works out. I'm trying to make this truck my own. Obviously, this thing does not have to be perfect. The biggest reason why I even built this truck in the first place is so I can dump wood. Because I use wood to heat the house, so this right here is gonna come in handy. So I'm gonna go ahead and load this thing up on the trailer, hook the Denali L5P up to it, and let's head over to Dylan's house. I wanna get his first reaction, because these rims came off of the LMM that I bought from him. So I think he'll get a kick out of it. So, all right, let's go ahead and get this thing loaded up.
Downgraded.
Downgrade?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm still in your wheels.
Yeah, I mean, it's not bad.
See you later.
All right, bye.
All right, guys, so we made it here. The Dodge is dirty, man. Ugh, I was hoping it wouldn't be, but it's the price you pay, right? I guess it's gonna be its first winter after I just finished painting it. What's up, Dylan?
What's going on, dude? It's good to see you.
Living the dream, man.
Living the dream in Indiana. It's freezing.
You ready to go?
I'm ready. Ready to get this thing off the trailer and get going.
The entire thing's covered in salt.
It's blasted. That's nuts. So you think just a little drive and it gets that bad.
It is what it is, right?
Yeah.
We'll clean her off. It's not a big deal. So let's go ahead and unload this thing. We'll get it in the garage. We'll go ahead and get back to business. Stay tuned. See, I don't have a problem with my Duramax. It's just saying. Ooh, never mind. Ooh. She fired right up.
Common rails always start up.
Yeah, common rail.
These old P pumps.
So yeah, we're headed to get some
go-go juice.
starting stuff.
We need some start.
Just a little bit. I mean, it's just too cold, guys. We got to get it started up. When I was in the Army, when we were in the motor pool, I did it all the time. We used to give it a little bit of that ether, you know.
Yeah.
I know it's not good for the engine at all, but we're not going to go crazy.
My truck says it's 8 degrees out right now, so.
Yeah, and there's no grid heater in that truck, so.
No, this thing barely started.
So how you liking the new 4th gen?
I'm in love with this thing. I've bought and sold a lot of trucks, but I don't think I'll ever get rid of this thing for a very long time.
So have you driven it in the salt yet?
No, and I don't even know if they've salted today. And I'm going to try to avoid to at all possible costs. I was driving my dump truck every day, but it needs brakes now, so we got to take this thing.
Yeah. Well, surprisingly, you know, with this, given that it's a Dodge truck, it's very smooth compared to. This is me comparing it to the rigid railroad tractor. But it's very smooth, dude.
Yeah, the tires up a lot. It has really nice high quality tires on it. I don't know what brand they are, but when I had the 20s on the 79 on here, it does not ride near as good.
Man, oh man. And look at that, guys. It's a manual.
Oh yeah, she's a hand shaker. A lot of fun.
You gotta hear that exhaust brake.
Yeah, we can do it. We'll be up here in town in a second. We can roll the window down if you want to freeze your hand off.
Here, man, come on now. I'm trying to keep it quiet in this town. You're being all loud. Dude, look at this old school right here. Woo.
There's a ton of old cars right here. This guy's always got. Oh, you're talking about the OBS?
Yeah, I'm talking about purple over there.
Yeah, that's a view right there. Come on.
Oh man.
Got the custom fender flares.
That's an Earl truck right there.
Was Earl able to make it with you?
No, you know. Yeah, so I forgot the turbo and I forgot him too. So you know, it is what it is.
Dang it! But we do have a turbo, hopefully located already.
Find out.
Well, I mean, I know I have one located. It's not gonna be till later tonight when we can get it.
If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm a big stupid. So it took me like 4 hours to get here, and I called him 3.5 hours into the trip, and it just dawned on me I completely forgot the RDS S480 for the compounds that we're installing on this 2nd gen or this Dodge that we have. Dude, it's just my brain. I'm telling you. This is a nice little town. What town is this called?
Newcastle.
Newcastle, Indiana.
Very nice place.
Yeah, it's really nice.
No, I'm just kidding. My money and I need it now. Give me my money.
All right, I'm ready.
Go ahead.
That in itself should be a YouTube video right there. Ultimate cold start, guys. Woo! If you're just stopping by, the truck has a downpipe on the turbo right now, so the exhaust isn't all the way back, unfortunately. But there is part of an exhaust on there. So let it warm up a little bit. We'll go ahead and get it off the trailer. Okay, so now that we have it in the shop, we're gonna go ahead and get that Black Market Performance Twin Kit installed on this 24 valve P-pump swap Dodge Cummins. Is that how you say it? And twin kit, compound kit?
You gotta be careful because if you call them twins, people are gonna start eating into it. They're compounds.
Someone's gonna lose it. Someone's gonna get triggered.
Oh, you don't want to, yeah. They're not twin turbos. Twin turbos would be like if they're, you had 2 on 1 manifold. These are compounds, one's up and the other one out. So it should be a lot of fun, man.
Definitely.
I actually custom built a kit of compounds on.
Yeah, I saw that video.
Yeah.
That was a good one.
Yeah, I did a custom build, and you're just going to be putting a kit on, so it's going to be a lot more fun, I'm sure.
A lot easier too.
A lot easier to install. So.
The reason why you guys saw the truck wasn't kind of hesitating, wasn't really going very well, is yet another reason why I'm here, because these guys can help me set the TV cable, make sure that we have ample amount of trans fluid in there as well.
Yeah.
So, because I know that it is shifting a little funny. I know I talked about that in the previous video. So we're going to dial all this in, and then hopefully once we install the compound kit and we get the trans dialed in, this truck is going to be a insane rolling burnout, crazy bald eagle screaming.
It'll run.
It's going to be great.
You're going to like it, I'm sure. It's going to be different.
It's going to be different, but I think
it's going to be really different.
I think this is going to be the most powerful thing that we own versus the Wife Max. But I think this right here, I'm hoping to put nitrous on it. I know Mason, this guy right here, he's got the same truck and he's got nitrous on his. You guys know that I've been having issues shifting this truck. It's been kind of hunting for gears, stuff like that. Well, we located the TV cable. We had to do some adjustments there, as well as the selector rod, which is down there. But it was so rusty, we had to pull it out, we had to sand it down, and then readjust it to where we can actually get this thing in park, neutral drive, you know, so on and so forth. So this is our first startup after figuring all this stuff out. We're gonna see if it actually goes into drive a lot easier, because it didn't. You had to sit there and wait. So pretty pumped, man. What was that, like an hour just trying to figure that part out?
Yeah, but it's good now. It feels really good. It shifts good. I think whenever you took the cab off, put another cab on, all your linkages and stuff were just out of whack. So, but we got them all set up good now. It feels good.
Hey, the other good thing is we took the GMC wheels off the Dodge.
They call them bullet holes, but they're
Bullet holes.
Mickey Thompson Classics, yeah.
These are called Mickey Thompson Classics. Look at that, guys.
They're a really nice wheel. And that tire is mean. Look at this tire. That's right there.
You know it, man.
We're going dirt dragging.
Dirt dragging. This isn't going to be the permanent situation for this truck. You want to do the honors?
Yeah, I think we'll. It's going to get really smoky in here. We'll go ahead and crack the door. And we'll fire it up. We'll just have to sit here and check the fluid. And we'll probably go ahead and back it out.
It's another cold start, sort of.
Yeah, it's been pretty warm here.
First road test with the Cummins. Oh, there she goes. How's it feeling?
Huh?
How does it feel?
It feels good. It feels peppy.
Does it really?
Yeah, it feels really peppy.
Good, good.
But I know with how that charge pipe is, it'll blow the freaking.
Yeah, that
boot
LB7.
off.
I put an LB7 charge pipe on it. I fabbed it up.
If it
So,
makes any boost at all, we're screwed.
yeah, it's just gonna blow a boot right off there. So. That's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. We'll see you on the next one.
Stay tuned.
Yeah. All right, bye.